Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So my dear student, today our question is if a to the power root over of a is equal to 65,536, then find the value of a. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of a from this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given exponential equation is a to the power root over of a is equal to 65,536. So student, to find the value of a from this exponential equation, so first of all we have to write this number in exponential form. Okay, so that's why on the left hand side again we have to write a to the power root over of a is equal to, if you convert this number in exponential form, so we have to write 2 to the power 16. Okay student, so 2 to the power 16 is the exponential from this number. Okay, so that's why we can write from this number 2 to the power 16. Okay, so my dear student, to find the value of a from this exponential equation, so we have to take the power 1 by 2 on both sides. Okay, so on the left hand side we have to write a to the power root over of a whole to the power 1 by 2 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to take the power 1 by 2. Okay, so that's why you can write in here 2 to the power 16 whole to the power 1 by 2. So student, to simplify LHS and RHS of this equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So this formula we have to apply on this equation. Okay, so on the left hand side we have to write a to the power 1 by 2 into root over of a is equal to, on the right hand side, to simplify this exponential form, so we have to apply this formula. Okay, so we can write from this exponential form 2 to the power 16 into 1 by 2. Okay, so student, on the left hand side again we have to apply this formula. Okay, so on the left hand side we have to write a to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power root over of a is equal to, so student, if you simplify this exponential forms, then we get 2 to the power 8. Okay student, so my dear student, on the left hand side in the place of base here is a to the power 1 by 2, and in the place of power, so here is root over of a. So, okay student, so we can write from this exponential form root over of a whole to the power root over of a. Okay, a to the power half, that means root over of a. So we can write from this exponential form root over of a to the power root over of a is equal to, so student, again we have to write the base 2, and in the place of 8 we have to write 2 into 4. Okay student, so student, again we have to write root over of a whole to the power root over of a on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have to apply this formula. Okay, so student, after apply this formula on right side, so we can write from this exponential form 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 4. Okay student, so my dear student, on again we have to write root over of a whole to the power root over of a on the left hand side is equal to, on the right hand side in the place of base is 2 square. Okay, and in the place of power is 4. Okay, so we can write from this exponential form 4 to the power 4. Okay student, so student, to find the value of a from this exponential equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, implies that a is equal to b. So this is our formula. So this formula we have to apply on this equation. Then we are able to find the value of a. So student, after apply this formula on this equation, so we can write in here root over of a is equal to 4. Okay student. But we have to find the value of a. So that's why again we have to take square on both sides. Okay. So on the left hand side we have to write root over of a whole square is equal to 4 square. Okay. So my dear student, after taking the square on both sides, then you get this type of terms on both sides. Okay. So after that we can write in here root over of a whole square, that means a. Okay. Is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the square of 4. Okay. The square of 4 is 16. Okay my dear student. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.